Okay, I made it a little bit shorter than I usually do. I'm going to show you real quick on the bottom here. You have a hole on the bottom. You want to make sure and close that up. You don't want little feet to go through and get stuck in there. So just close that up with a needle. Real simple. Just go back and forth. And try to stretch it out a little bit. Don't suck it all the way up, otherwise it'll get like really a bulge there. Just kind of spread it apart and leave your yarn so you'll have a line there. Might take you a few times to get it right. First time I did it, I crunched it all the way up and I didn't like the bulge right there. It's kind of hard trying to do it, trying to make sure the video picks it up. You just want to close in that hole and then weave in your thread and everything, just like that. So you go across the hole. Okay, now I'm going to show you real quick. Since I don't know how to pause the video or anything, I'm going to show you. I turned it inside out. Now this is a stitch marker that we put in right here. And you want to push it down. You want to take the stitch marker one, the loop, and just put it over one of the pegs. Just like that. Just put it over a peg. You take this out now. And now you go here and you pick up your stitches one at a time. It doesn't really matter which one you pick up. Take the easiest one. Whatever, pick up your stitch and put it on the peg like that. Let me get a couple of these done. It's kind of hard to try and show it on the video and do it since you can't see the stitches right. And do that all the way around. You do it all the way around till you get stitches on. You'll have 2 stitches on each row. I'll do one more here. And then what you want to do, after you do all that, you want to take your bottom stitch, your bottom stitch, and put it over your top stitch, like that. Do that all the way around. I just did a few stitches. I didn't go all the way around since I don't want to make the video too long. Okay, and then you cast off. Make sure I get this. I'm going to cast off. That. Move it over onto the previous one. And loop over. And there's your cast off. And then do the next one and next one. And that'll be your basket. Then you take it all off and then you turn it right side out and you have your little basket done. I hope this video helps. And like I said, maybe Sunday I'll make another one where I can pause the video and make a whole basket and show you the whole thing. So good luck.